Now, let us learn numbers. Today, we will learn how to pronounce numbers from 0 to 10 in French. So, let us begin. Les nombres. It means numbers. Let us begin with 0. The number 0 is pronounced as 0. The number 1 is pronounced as a. The number 2 is pronounced as the. The number 3 is pronounced as trois. The number 4 is pronounced as quatre. So let us say this once more. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us move on to the next set of numbers. The number 5 is pronounced as cinq. Repeat with me, cinq. The number 6, though spelled the same as in English, it is pronounced as six. The number 7 is pronounced as sept. The number 8 is pronounced as huit. Listen carefully, it's pronounced as huit. The number 9 is pronounced as neuf. And the number 10 is pronounced as dix. So let us say it once again from the beginning. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let us say it once again, this time slowly. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Was it easy? Don't worry if you didn't get it the first time. Let's go over it once again. 0, 0. 1 is 1. 2 is the. 3 is trois. 4 is quatre. 5 is cinq. 6 is six. 7 is sept. Here we need to note that the letter P is silent. So number 7 is pronounced as sept. 8, huit. 9, neuf. 10, dix. In order to learn the French numbers, you need to practice every day. You can start by practicing saying your phone number in French. Now let us go over this one last time. 0, 0. 1. You should watch carefully. 2 is the. Number 3 is trois. I repeat, trois. Number 4 is quatre. Number 5 is cinq. sunk. 6, cease, cease. Number 7 is Seth, Seth. Number 8 is wheat. Look properly, wheat. Number 9 is nuff, nuff. And number 10 is this, this. Now, shall we learn numbers from 11 to 20? Let's go. The number 11 is ounce. Look at the pronunciation carefully. It is ounce. The number 12 is pronounced as douze, douze. The number 13 is pronounced treize, treize. The number 14 is pronounced quatorze, quatorze. The number 15 is pronounced as quinze. The pronunciation is different from the spelling. It is pronounced similar to the English word quinze, quinze. So let us say it once again. 11 is onze, douze, treize, quatorze and quinze. Let us go over to the next 5 numbers. The number 16 is pronounced as seize. Say it once again, seize. The number 17 is dix-sept. If you notice, these stands for number 10 and sept is number 7. 10 plus 7 gives us 17. Easy, isn't it? Similarly, for the next number 18, as you would guess, it is these, which is number 10 plus number 8. Do you remember what is for number 8 in French? Yes, it is wheat. For number 19, you would have probably guessed, yes, it is dix-neuf, which is 10 plus 9. So number 17 is dix-sept, which is 10 plus 7. Number 18 is dix-huit, which is 10 plus 8, which is 18. For number 19, it is dix-neuf, which is 10 plus 9. For number 20, it is vingt. Notice that the T at the end is silent. For number 20, it is vingt. So let us say these numbers once again. For 16, it is seize, seize. For 17, it is dix-sept. Number 18 is dix-huit. Number 19 is dix-neuf. And number 20 is vingt. So let us say it once again from 11 to 20. Number 11 is onze. Number 12 is douze. Number 13 is treize. Number 14 is quatorze. Number 15 is quinze. Number 16 is seize. Number 17 is dix-sept. Number 18 is dix-huit. Number 19 is 19, and number 20 is 20. Once you learn numbers from 1 to 20, the remaining is very easy. So just bear with me, learn these numbers thoroughly, the others will be very easy. So let us go over it once again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Can you say all the numbers from 0 to 20? Join me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.